Hello, good morning. This is simple rice roti, we can say. That is, with rice flour, we need to prepare this. And here, before I start this one, I want to tell you one thing. This is just 5 minutes cook, very tasty and very easy breakfast. For this, we need to take 2 cups of rice flour, 1 by 4th spoon of salt, 1 by 4th spoon of cumin seeds, and 1 spoon of sesame seeds, which can be roasted or with non-roasted, anything, no problem. And 2 to 3 green chili, basing on their spice. You take 2 green chili and finely chop it with the scissor and sprinkle the water and then make it. Okay, a dough you need to prepare. However you prepare for roti, that sort of dough you need to prepare. You can check the complete video how I prepared. I will show you and keep it aside. Now you take 2 raw onion and 1 or 2 small green chili, 1 by 4th half and 1 by 4th salt, and few very less coriander leaves, very less. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic which the peel is removed. Definitely remove the peel, otherwise it will be very difficult while eating. Just take 2 to 3 cloves of garlic enough and remove the peel and drop in this. And 1 by 4th spoon of any cooking oil, preferably peanut oil, I added. And you need to go on mash in a stone grinder. If you don't have stone grinder, go in mixie only, but preferably stone grinder. The taste definitely varies between the stone grinder and also the regular mixie jar. In mixie jar everything will go into a paste. Here it is some hard pieces, we can feel the taste is definitely varying. Try to go with a stone grinder. Just mash it in a regular mixie jar. And this is chutney for this roti, and the combination is so tasty. For refreshment I added coffee too, a cup of coffee. You can go through a green tea or any of your choice. Okay, and here is one important thing. Um Before starting about the cooking part, I want to tell you one thing. You check the rice flour when you drop some water, whether it is soft or hard. You can make the soft roti or not. However, we check for jowar, that is jowar roti, jonna rottelu we say in Telugu. If it is not soft, it will break, the roti will go on break. So kindly check the quality and purity of the rice flour and make a small dough separately, a 1 spoon of dough, small one, and check when you are pressing on the tawa whether the roti is breaking or not. Otherwise the total difficulty starts here. And it is very easy. Take a non-stick pan. Definitely a non-stick pan is comfortable. Okay, and go on. Take a brush, oil applying brush, and apply oil on the tawa, the pan which is non-stick, and then press it like this. You need not keep holes are not compulsory, but for the purpose of cooking all the sides I have done it. Even if you don't keep holes on the rice flour, it will be same method only, it will be tasty only. And just keep a lid compulsory, otherwise the steam will create, the other side will not stick to the pan. For that purpose you need to keep the lid, and cooking will be very faster if you keep the lid, because the total steam comes back again and cook the roti very fastly. And if you want to reduce the time, just keep it on high flame, be near the stove only, and check it so that the bottom don't get burnt off completely. It is okay like this golden brown. And here it is very easy. Applying oil coat on the pan and just press the rice flour and just check the rice rotis, stick to that and keep a lid. So this is very tasty rice flour roti. And I added sesame seeds. No, the taste elevator could be the cumin seeds and sesame seeds and green chili. Actually, I didn't add cumin seeds here. Now I don't have right now, but always I prefer cumin seeds in this because it is very taste elevator. Could be the cumin seeds also, and you can add little coriander leaves, or if you have curry leaves also, kindly take a scissor and finely chop it. Then only you add. Otherwise, it will create some difficulty while eating. So check while eating also, comfort should be there. On cooking also, comfort should be there. And this is simple morning breakfast. And only one thing I want to tell you is on screen how comfortable you are feeling. Off screen also, that comfort Avakai Papu Neyi channel wants you people to enjoy that comfort in the kitchen. That is the only uniqueness. And I always prefer the quality and freshness of the ingredients. And simple ingredients are our main choice and motto. And the taste is just challenging. Okay, and this is my most favorite recipe which gets cooked in just in 5 minutes. If you concentrate, you can keep one or two tawa at the same time. You will have two this rotis at a time in 5 minutes. Okay, hope you understood this one point. If you have two tawas, keep on two stoves, make roti immediately. Just keep a timer and check within 5 minutes. You'll have bigger roti like this in 2 minutes, just 5 minutes. And the chutney, while the roti is getting cooked, you can have one large size of raw onion and two green chili and little coriander leaves and salt and little oil. You can add little cumin seeds, that is up to you, and two to three cloves of garlic and go on mash. It is so easy, so anybody can understand what I am saying here. Is it not so? And the taste is just awesome. Okay, and try it and enjoy the recipe. Thank you for your great support and love. And I am doing live for the purpose of watch hours only. Only the reason is watch hours only, because in videos some people may watch, some people may not watch. Watch hours are not regularly increasing. Everybody know this fact. And we being the new cooking channel, and I got a very good response from different accounts. Thank you for every person and their love and support towards the channel. And it is already 2000 subscribers we have in our pocket, nearly, that is 1800 around exactly. And 8 lakhs and above viewers we have to the channel, and in Instagram, in Threads, in Pinterest and Twitter. And since long 1 year, people who are all traveling with me are like that only. My subscribers are not coming down, they are just with me, traveling with me, strengthening me. And I want you people to subscribe on the video also. If you didn't subscribe, thank you for your great support and love. Thank you all, thank you for your great love. And on live also, I kept the message column mute. Don't feel bad, because my main motto is only work, and professionally I'm working, professionally I'm coming to the live. And nothing needs, I don't need to get deviated from the subject. Okay, I cannot, I'm a great introvert. It is only a professional wise I'm working here. And I am great having passion towards the cooking. Though I am a doctor professionally, I have great interest towards the cooking, because I believe in one thing: food itself is a great medicine. Okay, and enjoy the recipes and go through my previous videos and also shorts. I know some people are greatly listening from different parts of the world. I just made on live because to make it your work very easy than in the video. If you can check on the live, it will be, the work will be much more simply simplified, but the method of cooking and all I will tell here on video. Okay, thank you for your great support and love. The combinations are always important for any breakfast or any recipe. The combination will elevate the taste. See, you can see this here, only a simple rice flour to green chili, cumin seeds and sesame seeds, affordable price, and also with the raw onion, but the taste is just amazing. That sort of recipes only I'm selecting. So go through my previous shorts and videos too.